Hello guys, this is Sir Chris. This video is for Flyers to C class. Flyers to C ya. If Flyers to B Monday and Friday, this video will be given for you by Miss Lucy. Yeah, the day is not this week. Yeah, the day is not this week, and not also next week, because for next week, for flyers, movers, starters, you have like a project to do lah from CST. The project is simple, but this video is for flyers to C. For flyers to B is 2 weeks from now lah ya. Today is April 1st. Ya, 2 weeks from now lah for flyers to B. Okay, as usual, if you haven't done the previous exercise, please you do the exercise. I have already inserted the link. Make sure that you do the exercise first. If you have done, let's start. See your family and friends 6 book. See grammar book. Grammar book. What is 8? Okay, typo. Let's see grammar book unit 12. Yeah, the 8 is typo guys. Sorry. Unit 12, page 86 until 87. Okay, see page 86. Look, wish. We read first. We use wish plus past simple to talk about situations that we would like to be different. Ya, situations that we would like to be different. Yang kita maunya sih berbeda dengan fakta yang sebenarnya terjadi. It means if using wish is the fact or no? That's not the fact. Yeah. Okay. See the example. There are facts and there are wishes. We don't live by the sea. And then the wish is I wish we lived by the sea. Ya. Fact, kenyataan, realita, fakta. We don't live by the sea. Kita tidak tinggal di dekat laut. Okay. Wish. Okay. Their wish is I wish we lived by the sea. Ya, saya sih harapnya kita tinggal di dekat laut. In reality, in fact, they live by the sea or not? In fact, kenyataannya. In fact, they live by the sea or no? No ya. We don't live by the sea. Look at the fact. Okay. Wish like ekspektasi, harapan. Okay. I wish we lived by the sea. It means, in fact, they don't live by the sea. It rains all the time in this country. The wish is, Mom wishes it didn't rain all the time in this country. Okay. The fact, ya kenyataannya hujan terus nih sepanjang all the time ya, sepanjang waktu di negara ini ya, for example like Indonesia. Okay ya, from January until March ya, until flood. Nah, what does Mom wish? Mom wishes it didn't rain all the time in this country. Si Mom sih harapnya nggak hujan sepanjang waktu di negara ini, ya. But unfortunately, that's only a wish, ya. Itu cuman harapan. In fact, it rains all the time. Nah, it means if wish, we talk about the real situation or not. If wish, we talk about the real or not real situation. We talk about unreal situation or not real situation. Ya, nih I give you example like this. Ya, the fact ya, sorry, the wish. Jovita wishes she was born in Korea. Yeah. Sorry Jovita if you hear this ya. I don't know why I only I random. I don't have I don't have problem with you ya. Okay. This is only random, only example. Okay. Jovita wishes she lived in Korea. In reality, in reality, does she live in Korea? No. Yeah. In fact, she lives in Indonesia. Okay, ya, poor you. Poor you, Jovita. Okay. Okay, no hard feeling ya, no hard feeling. Okay, that's only example. Okay. Nah, see below it. We can also use wish plus could plus base form. Look at the fact. I can't play the guitar. Ya, saya tidak bisa main gitar. Ya. I wish I could play the guitar. You see, ya, we can also use could. Okay, we can also use could. Ya, can't, ya, can't tidak bisa. We change into could. Nah, what is the pattern? You see ya, the pattern. The pattern for wish is subject plus wish or wishes plus subject or second subject plus past simple plus object. Look, for example, I wish we lived by the sea. I is the subject. Okay, and then because it is I, we use wish. Okay, wish. And then plus subject or second subject. Yeah, that's the second subject. The second subject is we. And then the past simple, the verb to is lived. And then using object also. Okay, yeah. Nah, look, if mom, why using wishes? Because mom is she. Remember nih ya, present simple. If I, we, they, using wish. I, we, they. If he, she, it, using wishes. If Jovita, using wish or wishes? Wishes, yeah, because Jovita is she. Okay, and then using past simple. Nah, didn't rain. Didn't rain is the negative form of past simple. Don't forget. For example, if like saw, melihat, the negative form is what? Didn't saw or didn't see? Didn't see. Yeah. If lived, the past simple is didn't live. Nah, part 3 ya. Sorry, see part 1. Complete the sentences, use the past simple and the verbs in brackets. Nah, okay. This one, ya, you have to change. You have to change the verb in the brackets, ya, dalam tanda kurung, into past simple. Simple ya. Nah, see part 2 ya, next page ya. Next page, look at the pictures, write sentences with I wish. Number 1, I don't have any sunscreen ya. The sentence in each box is the fact ya. Kalimat di setiap gambarnya itu kenyataan. I don't have any sunscreen ya. In fact, that's the fact ya. Ya, pada realitanya dia tidak mempunyai sun cream. Okay. I wish I had some sun cream ya. Because he doesn't have any sun cream, he wishes he had some sun cream. Okay. Nah, number 2, I feel sick. Saya merasa sakit. That's the fact ya. Pada kenyataannya saya merasa sakit. What do you wish? What do you wish? Apa yang kamu harap? Saya sih harapnya saya tidak sakit. Oke? Ya. Nah, you do lah ya, number 1, number 2 until number 8. Only that guys, ya, only grammar book for today. Only part 1 and part 2. Simple right? Simple ya. Okay. From the previous video, I have already told you that because we are too fast, yeah, we are already in unit 12 and because you also don't have to do tests, yeah, I will give the exercise to you only one exercise each video. Usually if in class I give you like two exercises, right? Yeah, two exercises, class book workbook, or workbook grammar book, or class book grammar book. For today I only give you grammar book. Okay, yeah, so there is no reason loh, sorry, there is no excuse, for you not to do the exercise, because only one exercise. The previous video also, you only have to do one exercise from class book. Okay, nah, I also have already told you that if you have any English schoolwork that you don't understand and you need help, I can help you. Yeah, we teachers can help you. Just capture the English schoolwork, yeah, numbers or questions that you don't understand. You capture to me alongside also with your work. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, only that for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. See you guys.